Louisiana Governor Jeff Landry is telling parents who don't want the 10 Commandments hanging in classrooms to tell their children not to look at them.
Today, the governor and Attorney General Liz Murrill held a news conference to discuss how the state plans to fight a legal challenge to the controversial law. Paul Murphy reports.
Louisiana Governor Jeff Landry and Attorney General Liz Murrill offered a vigorous defense of a new state law requiring the 10 Commandments be displayed in every public school classroom.
I did not know that the 10 Commandments was such a bad way for someone to live their life.
Monday, the state attorney general's office filed a brief opposing a legal challenge to the law filed by the ACLU and other civil rights groups. AG Murrow said the lawsuit is premature because the plaintiffs in the case, parents of public school children, can't prove any harm.
That's because they don't allege to have seen any displays yet, and they certainly can't allege that they have seen any display of the 10 Commandments that violates their constitutional rights.
Murrill displayed a series of posters showing how the 10 Commandments could be displayed and incorporated into teachable moments that pass constitutional muster. One included a quote from the late Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Another displayed Martin Luther King's 10 Commandments for nonviolence next to the ones handed down by Moses.
Our arguments haven't changed from the filing of our original lawsuit back on July 8th.
The Louisiana ACLU argues the law violates the freedom of religion constitutionally guaranteed in the First Amendment.
The government can't prioritize or cannot give preference to one religion over another, and the government can't show favor to one religion over another, and that is exactly what we see here.
Governor Landry had this suggestion for parents who don't want the 10 Commandments in their child's classroom.
Tell the child not to look at it.
The law requires all public schools and colleges to display the 10 Commandments by January. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.
A hearing on it is now scheduled for September in federal court in Baton Rouge.